Hey there, productivity seekers! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of productivity and time management. Today, we're tackling a topic that's close to everyone's heart, our precious time. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how we use them can make a world of difference. So, let's get into it. I'm about to expose the toxic grind culture myth and share 3 apps that are stealing your time. These apps might seem harmless, even fun, but they can be major productivity killers. If you want to reclaim your time and make 2025 your most productive year yet, you'll want to pay close attention. Trust me, deleting these will make 2025 your most productive year yet. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, it's TikTok. This app has taken the world by storm with its short, engaging videos. But have you ever found yourself spending hours on it without even realizing it? Yeah, I know, it's fun, it's addictive, and those short videos suck you in. The algorithm is designed to keep you hooked, showing you content that's tailored to your interests. But here's the thing. Those minutes quickly turn into hours. But here's the harsh truth. Spending hours scrolling through endless videos is a massive time drain. Think about all the things you could be doing instead. You could be learning a new skill, spending quality time with loved ones, or even just enjoying some peace and quiet. Imagine using that time to read, exercise, or even just relax without your phone. The benefits are endless. You'll feel more accomplished, more relaxed, and more in control of your life. A relaxed yogi's consistent progress always beats a gym bro's burnout. Next, Candy Crush. Remember the 2-day rule. Never skip a habit twice. This rule is a game changer when it comes to building and maintaining good habits. But games like Candy Crush can easily derail your progress. This game, while entertaining, can easily turn a 5-minute break into a 1-hour marathon. It's designed to keep you playing with levels that get progressively harder and rewards that keep you coming back for more. Discipline fails when it's rooted in self-hatred. You need to approach your time management with self-respect and self-love. Set boundaries for yourself and stick to them. It's not about depriving yourself of fun. It's about making conscious choices that benefit you in the long run. Set yourself up for success with self-respect. Delete it and use that time to build better habits. Finally, Instagram. This app is a double-edged sword. Now, Instagram can be a great tool for connection, but it's also a notorious time stealer. The endless feed of photos and stories can keep you glued to your screen for hours. And let's not forget the impact it can have on your mental health. Endless scrolling through curated lives can lead to comparison and stress. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your life to the highlight reels of others. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy and unhappiness. Discipline isn't hard, you're just doing it wrong. Use it mindfully or not at all. Set specific times for checking social media and stick to them. This way you can enjoy the benefits without falling into the time-wasting trap. So there you have it. 3 apps you need to delete before 2025. By removing these time stealers from your life, you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. Remember, productivity isn't about grinding yourself into the ground, it's about making smart choices and respecting your own time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips on how to take control of your time. See you next time.